What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kay coming back with another video. Y'all, it's Friday. So I'm trying to get in the groove of, making my videos, getting my videos out. I'm gonna start getting them out at least by 2 p.m. So you guys can by 2, by 3 maybe in that area. So you guys can go ahead and watch it when you get up or whatever. It's gonna be just something short and sweet. And y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe so you guys can get my content daily or whenever I upload it. I'm trying to go ahead and do it every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, like the banner says. So you guys can check out my Monday, Wednesday, and Friday videos. What I'm gonna do also is everything is gonna be in the comments. Not the comments, but the description. If you guys want to go ahead and follow me everywhere. And you guys can also follow my other channels at Conversation Rules the Nation 713. And there's also Health News Live. I haven't really started on that one yet, but I will be starting on it in the near future. So anyway, you guys, I have to get my notes from my word pad here so that I can remember the key points that I wanted to speak on as far as the video goes. So today's video is going to be visualization. It's going to be some tips to use visualization to manifest your goals. So, and this is what I've been doing actually. I just started uploading these videos because I wanted to remind myself, I was really, really bro, when I tell you I was down and just not feeling it at one point. And I noticed that, it's just really anxiety. I was really I have experienced so much to the point where I have PTSD. I was going to say PSD. I know it's not the Photoshop document, but I've been through so much trauma to where I honestly believe that I'm traumatized. I have PTSD, because shit, I've been through a lot, so I just wanted to share, things for myself actually, so I can go back and look at it, so I can go back and, figure out what it is that I need to do, reflect. So I just decided to put these videos out so that I can share it with other people, because we're human and we all go through the same things, So I just want to share these tips and make sure you guys know, how everything is when you visualize things. It's easy, we know that visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your goals and create the life that you desire. So it involves using your imagination to create mental images or movies of the outcomes that you want to achieve. And it can help you clarify your goals. It can help enhance the motivation and focus that you may have, and it also helps you reduce anxiety and increase your sense of confidence and it's being able to sit back and think of what you want. You you can already be able to see it. You can already see it. You can see yourself having it. So visualization is a key. Is a key aspect to have when you're trying to manifest your goals. You know, it's a part of manifestation. You want to be able to see it. So you be clear and specific about your goals. To effectively visualize your goals, it's essential to be clear and specific about what you want to achieve. Write down your goals. Make sure they're realistic, time-bound. You know, so you want to put a time on that. Put a time on your goals. Be more specific. The easier it will be to create vivid mental images of achieving your goals is if you're specific. Use all of your senses. Visualization is most effective when you engage all of your senses. You want to literally close your eyes, think, smell the air around you in that area, wherever you are. Smell the air around you. Touch. See if you can say you're visualizing, so you want to whatever you're thinking about, you put your hand on it. So it's as you create these mental images of you achieving your goals, you want to try to incorporate sounds, smells, taste, tactile sensations. This will make your visualizations more vivid and engaging. So use visualization in the present tense as well. When you visualize your goals, imagine that you already achieved them. Use the present tense when you create mental images of yourself achieving your goals. For example, instead of saying, I will have a successful career, you want to say, I have a successful career. Practice this regularly. You want to practice visualization regularly, so that you can gain that skill. Because it's a skill, and it requires practice, as all skills do. So set aside time each day to visualize your goals. Ideally in a quiet and relaxing environment. Make it a part of your daily routine to do it consistently. Visualize with emotion. Emotion is a powerful driver of behavior. As you visualize your goals, try to evoke positive emotions and positions. I'm looking like, what? Evoke positions. But you want to, positive emotions like joy, excitement, gratitude. Show gratitude. Make sure you guys always show gratitude. Thank you for everything. Everything you have. Thank the Most High for it. Thank the Creator for it. And thank yourself as well. So you can stay motivated and focused on achieving your goals. Use visualization to overcome obstacles. Visualizing the obstacles that you may face along the way can help you prepare for and overcome them. Imagine yourself overcoming obstacles and finding creative solutions to challenges that may arise. So you can visualize things like, if you're having a hard time with things, then you visualize yourself getting over that hurdle. And bam, you will get over that hurdle. So cultivate a positive mindset and believe in your ability to create the life you desire. You want to make sure that you're visualizing what you want in life. And here's a few more other tips to keep in mind when you're visualizing to manifest your goals. You be patient, persistent. It may take time to achieve your goals, and setbacks and challenges may arise along the way. So stay committed to the process and keep visualizing your goals regularly. Second, take action. Visualization alone is not enough to manifest your goals. So you have to make sure that you're doing as well as visualizing. Like if you're thinking, you're doing. Think about what you're gonna do, then do it. Think about something else you're gonna do after that, then do it. Like even in the Bible, it says that faith without works is dead. So you can have as much faith, you can have a lot of faith, but without the works, that means without you doing anything, it's dead. There's nothing gonna come from it. So when you visualize yourself doing whatever it is that you're supposed to be doing to manifest your goals and do it. Try to figure out how you're going to do that. So, and be open to unexpected opportunities and outcomes because sometimes the universe may have something even better in store for you than what you originally visualized. Stay open to new possibilities. Trust that the universe will guide you towards the outcomes that are best for you. Okay. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help manifest your goals and create the life you desire. And we know this, but if you don't know it, then now you know. To effectively use visualization, you have to be clear and specific about your goals. Engage all of your senses. Use present tense because you want to remain in the now, in the present, and focus on what you can do now to make yourself right, for yourself in the future to, manifest whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. So it's used by many successful individuals to achieve their goals. Visualization is used by everyone. Everyone that knows about it uses it. And it's kind of like back in the day when we were, just gazing, you just find yourself just what are you doing when you do that? Like you're thinking of something. What are you thinking about? You're visualizing something. It's called, what did we call it? We called it imagination, so you're imagining something, you're daydreaming, visualizing. That's what you're doing. So when you do that, make sure that you know exactly what you want to think about. Okay, what do you want to think? Like normally when your head goes off, that means you're wandering, you're thinking and you're thinking, but you want to drive your mind to what you really want to think about. Like don't use the negative. Don't think of the negative because yeah, you will hear negative thoughts, but you got to be able to drive those negative thoughts out and think and visualize of what you want. Get a clear mental image of what you want. So, because the clarity helps you focus on your energy and attention, towards your desired outcome, which makes it more likely to happen. So, yeah, that's what you want to do. When you visualize achieving your goals, you're programming your subconscious mind to work towards that outcome, which increases the likelihood of success. So, that's what you want to do. You want to also make sure you use it to reduce stress and anxiety because stress and anxiety can be barriers to achieving your goals, you know, and try to use the visualization as well to reduce the negative emotions associated with failure. And you cultivate positive emotions that may help you stay motivated and focused. So, that is what I want to share with you guys on visualization. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you cut on your notifications so that you can hear more. Y'all, I don't know. Okay, it's 1:24. I'm going to go ahead and make the thumbnail for this and I'm going to upload it. I'm going to be uploading it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to upload it like right now. Actually, I got to save it and then edit and throw the title in there and everything. And then I'm going to upload it so you guys can have it for today. And then I'm probably gonna go ahead and record the other for next week as well. So you guys let me know if you follow me on IG at your girl Kanina. You can let me know what you want, what you want to discuss, what you want to talk about, and we can go from there. All right, so you guys don't forget, like, subscribe. Oh, I had to change my website, so everything is down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and cut your notifications on so you can hear me when I come online. All right, y'all. So it's your girl Kanina, and thanks for watching, y'all. I appreciate you guys. And y'all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. It is Friday, so um, don't drink too much. Whatever it is that you do, don't do it too much. Do it moderately, but not too much. And y'all make sure y'all check into Conversation Rules the Nation. We are going to be dropping our new video of the month. Well, not of the month, but of the year. The first video of the year. It's gonna be dropping sometime today, so you guys make sure you guys check out that if you're into that news, black news and everything. All right, so it's your girl Kanina, also known as the Lock Libertarian, aka Southern Girl. All right, y'all. Later. Peace.